Hey folks, Charles here coming at you with day 3, question number 3 for the ROI Ninjas Bullseye Workshop coming up in just a few short days. So here it is. What I want you to do is, if you had 5 minutes right now in front of your audience, in front of on stage, on a webinar, whatever it may be, if you had 5 minutes to talk to your audience or even to yourself from 10 years ago, 20 years ago, whatever the case may be, if you had 5 minutes, what would you say? What would you talk about? Make a list. Make a list of at least 3 items that you would talk about, or 5 items that you would hit upon in that speech if you had just 5 minutes to talk to your potential audience. Write that down. Keep that with your notes from the previous 2 days, and we'll be back again tomorrow with another one. If you haven't registered for the free workshop, make sure you do it now because space is filling up fast. And if you are registered, I highly recommend considering getting in on the Elite VIP experience, because we're going to be deep diving down the rabbit hole on your bullseye and a lot of other great stuff. There's some great perks that go along with it. Check it out.